Rootstock has helped us with making larger production runs because we're able to see our inventory live, we're able to look at that demand live and make those decisions that will help us reduce our waste in manufacturing. My name is Greg Carls. I'm the financial controller for Star Milling Company.
My name is Paul Cramer. I'm the Vice President and General Manager of Star Milling Company in Paris, California. Star Milling Company is an animal feed and pet food manufacturer.
Before we had all these different systems, orders were coming in, they were trying to kind of just guess what products we needed. They wanted something all-encompassing, and that's what really made us decide, okay, Rootstock is the perfect fit. It's all in the Salesforce Platform. It's got the financial part that we need. It's got the ERP system that we need.
In fact, one of the amazing things about Rootstock that I've started to do is I can start out with a week and all I need is about 4 to 5 days worth of data, and I can project probably within a couple $100,000 of where I'm going to end up at the end of the month, which is something we've never been able to do before.
One of the unique ways to customize objects that are unique to our manufacturing processes is how we track our rail cars coming in. When we receive it, we have the date times, and Rootstock is helping develop things today that will help us with AI, being able to see what does the supply chain look like. Here's what you need to bring it in to get it here in time.
Eventually, we have plans to expand into a second location. We'll then be using Rootstock to scale as we can fold them up into the same ERP system.
I would always recommend Rootstock to any manufacturing company.
It allows us to have the same tools that large businesses have had that's been inaccessible to family companies.